Hello, good morning everyone. So today is day 2 and today we're going to ride a boat to an island. They said that the temple's in the island. So the name of this temple is Mazu Temple or the Mazu Islands. And before we get started, let's go eat some breakfast. Let's go.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the hotel's breakfast buffet area. Wow, as soon as you walk in, you are welcomed by the hotel's elegant and modern classic design. So, yeah, we are still in China, and let me show you some of the foods that they got here. So, here we got the typical Chinese breakfast. We got some fried radish cake over there, and then we got some fried donuts here. It was called youtiao. Here on the other section, we got some selections of breads and pastries. Also got Chinese egg tart. That's pretty good. And then here we got some Chinese broccoli, some tofu, and yeah, mostly vegetables. Pretty healthy. And then in this section, you can ask the chef to cook some noodles for you. And here are the ingredients for the noodles. We got some vegetables and then different kinds of noodles. And then here we got the ingredients for the noodles. Some meat, some seafood, and some meatball and fish balls. And then we got another section at the back. Here you can see some oatmeal, congee, Chinese congee, plain congee. Chinese only eat plain congee. And then these are the garnishes for the congee. And here we got some steamed dumplings, some steamed bacon. Yeah, mostly steamed. Don't know if they use this to heat up the food or warm it up. And some steamed tomato, steamed ham, steamed egg dumplings. That is the wrapper is egg, and then the filling inside is meat, and then some steamed sausages.
Guys, so we got our food. Let's first try this steamed. We got some steamed dumpling, sausage, bacon, and steamed Chinese dumpling. First try this egg dumpling. This looks nice. The filling is pork and some vegetables. Tastes pretty good. Let's try this. It's the beef soup, the famous beef soup of within China. It's a little bit thick. You can see. They thicken up it with cornstarch. It's bland. It should not be tasting like this. It's bland for me. Let's try it. And I got some vegetables and some rice. And paired up with some salted rice. This is also a local food. This is called kampong. It's salted rice with some mushrooms, and there's I think oyster, and then there's dried shrimp. This one's good. If you pair it, yeah, it tastes better if you pair the two. You pair the salted rice with the beef soup. Alright, so for round 2, I got this tofu. I think it's tofu. Let's try it. Let's try this one. The last. This red bean tofu. Tofu with red bean. I got a typical Chinese breakfast over here. The fried donut, the boiled tea egg. I got a radish cake here, some chili sauce, and then congee with preserved vegetables. Let's try congee first. fried donut pairs well with congee, or sometimes they pair it with soy milk. The rice cake is also a favorite here. We now tried the tea egg. Never tried this. I've been hesitant to try it before, but they said it's pretty good, so let's try it. You can see that it has been submerged in the braising liquid for a long time. That's why there's some coloration of it on the egg. It's alright. Tastes just like a normal egg with some Chinese braised flavor. Let's now try the written here is douhua. Douhua is soft tofu. It's like soft tofu, but written here is hongtou. There may be red bean and the soft tofu. Oh, this is the red bean. Then yeah, it's tofu. Tofu to. It's tofu. It's a bit sweet tofu. And then we have red bean. Some red bean. What is the red bean tofu? This is pretty refreshing and light. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my room and gonna pack up, and I'm gonna go to the temple later. So we're heading to the bus, and we're going to the Temple Island.
So here a vendor came by to present his product. It's called waka. Waka is a native delicacy, like angel food cake, but this one is steamed. But this guy is charging a higher price than usual, so we just walk away.
So my mistake a while ago. We're going to Meizhou Tao. This island is where the Mazu Temple is located. It's called Meizhou Tao. So we're gonna ride the boat, and they say the boat ride is about 15 to 20 minutes boat ride, and we'll see you there. Going on the ferry, and see you in the island.
So welcome guys to Meizhou Tao, Meizhou Islands. As we disembarked the boat, we came to a sort of a golf cart ride to our area, which is the temple. So Meizhou Island is inhabited by people. It has a population of several thousands, and the island's residents primarily engage in fishing, tourism, and activities related to the worship of Mazu.
Wow, look at that. Wow, so amazing. We're historical site. We're in a historical site, a Mazu Temple.
This is the sacred island of Meizhou, home to the temple of Mazu, the goddess of the sea, guardian of sailors, and the protector of travelers. For centuries, she has watched over the waves, guiding those who dare to cross her path. To many, Mazu is not just a god, but a mother, watchful, caring, and eternal. She is the promise of safe return, the voice of hope in the face of the unknown. From fishermen to travelers, people from every corner of the world come to this temple, seeking her blessings and protection. In this sacred place, the heart of Mazu's power pulses. Her presence is felt in every whispered prayer. For those who enter this temple, it is not just a place of worship, it is a sanctuary, a gateway to hope. Many come seeking answers, others solace. Some beg for safe passage across the waters, while others seek peace from the storms raging within their hearts. Mazu's influence stretches far beyond this island. Her worshippers can be found in every corner of the world, wherever the sea touches the land. Mazu's temple is more than just a place of worship. It is a symbol of hope, resilience, and love. This is the temple of Mazu, guardian of the sea, protector of travelers. So it's dinner time and we're going to dine here in a local 5-star hotel restaurant. So again, we are welcomed by a nice, elegant, and warming interior design. Here, as soon as we walk into the room, you can already see that there are appetizers that are ready for us to enjoy.
Bamboo shoots. First the bamboo shoots.
So there, as you can see from my face, the bamboo shoot tastes pretty bad. It has a funky, bad smell to it.
Yep, wafer. Appetizer wafer. Seaweed wafer.
So here we have some sort of a corn milk, like almond milk, but this is corn milk made with corn. And this one is served hot. So yeah, it's a bit strange and weird because it's hot, and also it is pretty thick, and then it is unsweetened. Next dish we got braised abalone with red beans. So this dish is pretty good. It has a rich abalone like oyster sauce taste to it, but the problem is, yeah, the abalone is a little bit chewy and tough. The red beans are also pretty tasty. Next we got sweet and sour eel. So contrary to the normal sweet and sour that you see red color, this one is black in color because they use black vinegar with sugar.
Eel with sweet sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. Chinese fried spring roll. Next we got orange. I think it's orange with orange with crab inside.
So this one is steamed orange with crab meat. This is a pretty unique combination. I've never tried this in my life, but I don't think that these two actually go well together, and it's pretty weird also.
The orange combination is weird. Taro cake. Taro cake is like taro cake, like mashed taro. Mashed taro. Pretty sweet. Sweet, and it has a rich taro flavor.
This one here is the oyster pancake. This is one of my favorite. This one is greasy, oily, but very delicious.
Salted rice. It's like fried rice, but instead of frying them, they cook it together so that it comes out like this. It's like Chinese biryani. You can compare it, but with Chinese style soy sauce. So they mix everything in a pot, and then they cook the rice with it.
Thanks so much for coming along on this adventure with me. This tour is not yet done. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.